On March 28, 2024, at about 12:18 a.m., the American Mariner was traveling up the St. Mary's River about 25 miles south of Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, when a steering failure caused the bulk carrier to strike the Munuscong Channel Junction Light, a 31-foot diameter cylindrical fixed concrete structure with a giant light on top. The vessel took on water, but the crew stabilized it using pumps, and none of the 18 aboard were injured. Still, the American Mariner took more than $800,000 in damage, and the light suffered an estimated $1.25 million in damage. The American Mariner was on its first voyage of the season, following its winter layup period, a time when the boat is pulled out of the water and stored for the winter. During this time, boats are typically winterized and annual preventative maintenance is performed. While the bulk carrier was out of the water, a new steering control system was installed. The crew knew something was up just before the crash because the alarms for the vessel's steering system sounded intermittently. Unfortunately, the crew couldn't figure out why, and the rudder seemed to properly respond to commands. After the accident, crew members took a look at the new steering system and found that the number 1 control motor, which controlled the stroke of the main hydraulic pump, had failed. When the motor was pulled apart, a small piece of black, pliable debris was found lodged in between the rotating gears of the control motor, which stopped it from rotating properly. Once a replacement control motor was installed, the steering system responded properly to steering commands from the bridge. The technicians used a hammer to separate the gear assembly, and a, quote, non-metallic black piece of material was found lodged in between the inner and outer gear machining and gear housing. The chief engineer said the debris looked like, quote, either gasket material or a sliver of an O-ring. It was about the size of a quarter of a pencil eraser, he said. The 3 pieces of debris that were found measured a mere 2 to 4 millimeters in length. According to the NTSB, the probable cause of the accident and more than $2 million in damage was O-ring type material debris in the steering gear system's hydraulic oil, which became lodged within a control motor, causing it to seize, which made the rudder lock at its last ordered position. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.